What's up, everyone? It's Rich. Thanks for watching again. Just starting to upload some backlog of videos I had to show you. I have a treat for you today. I actually decided I'm going to speed up this entire video. I think I do a lot of talking. I'm trying to be detailed and descriptive, but save you some time. So here's a tire I had continued to fill with air. I had a plug in it for a long time, kept filling it with air just to keep it going. Thought it was about time to get a brand new tire, right? That's the right thing to do. Get a brand new tire, put it on, fill it with air, come out the next day, and it's flat. So immediately, hit the net, start searching, looking around, different things, options, thoughts, ideas. Come up with this bead sealer, extra seal. You could see it here. Considering how it worked, I would say it's recommended. Definitely helps. I would say can't hurt. Follow the instructions, apply it around the bead, and it should seal the bead, seal it tight. That should have been, and what I thought was going to be, the end of my problems, the headache that had been plaguing me season after season, because I was too cheap to buy just a new tire and go through the effort. But this is how simple the solution should have been, could have been, and if you can't tell already, wasn't what I thought it was. That's why I thought I'd make this video. Maybe help somebody else out there. So I went, got the bead sealant. I think I got it from Autozone. I looked around, always searched, found the best price, the place that had it in stock, the easiest way to get it, etc., etc. Put the bead sealant on as per instructions. I filled the tire with the recommended amount of air. No more than 14 psi, I guess, on this tire is what it said for the max. This electronic tire gauge, I got that from, I believe, it was Loews, Kobalt brand, maybe a little bit on the expensive side. I don't know. I thought for the price, again, I found the quality for the price. I thought it was the best option out there. Might be a good tip to help you as well. I keep two of them around at all times. Long story short, got the bead sealer on, filled up the tire. Everything's looking good. Filled it with the proper air pressure and then start checking. And lo and behold, the pressure has gone down. So now I'm saying, what in the heck is going on? What else could be the problem? I have a nice seal here around the bead. Everything seemed to be done right. And I hear a hissing. And I don't know if you could hear it here or not. I had to, this was on the list of items I had to get. Sorry, my wife had included something for me there. So I also found that the valve stem could be a problem, and that is the case on mine. The valve stem was leaking. I heard a little hiss, so that was an additional problem I must have had. You can get this 4-way tool with the valve stems at Walmart, Slime brand, and that's what I did. Real easy to use. Screw out the old valve stem, screw in the new one, fill it with air. And what does it say? 14 psi, and I let it sit overnight, and spoiler alert, that was the problem. So might have had two problems at one time, but fixed both. All in all, very happy. The tire's held air ever since. And so I think it's a good lesson to learn for me and maybe for you. I thought I'd share. And I hope you enjoyed this video. 14 psi, problem solved. Thanks for watching. Keep an eye out. I have a bunch more I'm looking to upload soon. And as always, have a great day. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and see you on the next one.